I know you have been waiting for me to actually release what is in this blueprint. It is so good. The amount of time that I have been pouring into this, I cannot wait to release it. Here we go. A quick overview of the Whole Woman Blueprint. The standard training program. So we have 16 weeks of 4 different phases. For each week, you have 4 strength sessions and 1 low intensity steady state cardio session. For each individual phase at the end of it, on the 4th week and the 8th week and the 12th week and the 16th week, we have deloads. Those are purposefully built in so that our bodies can have the adaptations that we need to continue to progress. This is for beginner to intermediate. Everything is fully scalable. The equipment that we use for the home program is dumbbells, resistance bells, stability ball, and a secure band anchor. The primary goal here is building strength, muscle capacity, and confidence. We have the entire thing built out for you, and this will all be in our Trainerize program. You will also get a copy of this PDF to help with each individual phase and to help you be able to navigate through the program very easily. That is what we've got for the home program. Now let's go into the perimenopause and menopause protocols. It is the same amount of time. So we've got 16 weeks, 5 days a week. There are gym and home versions available for this. This is based on Dr. Stacey Sims' Menopause 2.0 course, which is where I got my menopause certification. This goes through all of the different variables that are in the menopause, perimenopause course. For days 1 and 3, we have heavy results. That is to build your strength. Then we have day 2 is a high intensity interval workout right there. Day 4 is a sprint interval. And then day 5 is plyometrics. These are all very intentionally built in here because of how the hormones are shifting in this phase of life. Each day is going to be written out again using Trainerize. Everything is start and it will take you through the program ready to go. You will also, if you choose to have this add-on program, you will also get a copy of this PDF. This are all of the details so that you can very confidently navigate through the whole program. In addition to the programs that you can run fully on your own, you will have the accountability from me. In the Trainerize app, there is also an additional package that you can do to work with me one-on-one or work with one of our other coaches one-on-one in an in-person training capacity. That is also an additional add-on that you can do so that at whichever stage you are in, there is something that is for you. This program, I'm telling you, I have poured so much into it so that the whole woman can be fulfilled. The whole woman can be strengthened and trained. The biggest piece of this, though, and I do not say this lightly, is that we are pouring into your soul here. There is devotionals built into every single day that takes you through the entire program. So before your first rep, before you even pick up that barbell or the dumbbells, you have an opportunity to sit with God and to pray and to put his peace over your body and your mind and your soul before you start your day or before you start your workout. This is my biggest piece, and I've never done a program like this before. Not only is it more intense as far as the amount of programming that went into it, but it has this devotional piece that I have never incorporated, and I am so excited to have it in there because if we go into whatever it is that we're doing with prayer first, with acknowledgement, with gratefulness, with thanks, this sets up your day entirely different. So I cannot wait for you to check it out. Registration opens on August 17th. So this is the time you can go ahead and get on the priority list so you are notified before it goes out to the general public. I cannot wait for you to give it a try.